If you watched our video that explained general workplace harassment, we indicated that we would make this video on sexual harassment as well. Sexual harassment is a little different than general harassment. If you want to watch the video on general harassment, you can go watch that. Sexual harassment takes two forms. There's what's called quid pro quo, and the other form is called hostile work environment. The hostile work environment for a sexual harassment claim falls under the same guidelines as general harassment. The only thing that makes it sexual harassment is that you're being harassed by ongoing sexually based conduct. For example, men who constantly proposition women for sex and make sexual gestures in the workplace. If this conduct is ongoing and improper, obviously it's not permissible. However, the other form of sexual harassment that is not as well known is quid pro quo harassment. And that's when a person with authority in the company tells you that if you do something sexual for them, then they're going to do something beneficial for you, like give you a raise or some other workplace benefit. It can also be the reverse, that you're not given a benefit because you refuse to engage in some type of sexual activity. People, primarily women, unfortunately, need to be aware of both types of harassment at work. And the number one way to combat this is if all the people being subject to either type of harassment come together and bring a class action lawsuit if possible. The more people who are impacted by the policy that stand up for themselves, the better chance they have at proving the case. If you're being subject to unwanted sexual advances, or your employer is tying a benefit to you engaging in sexual activity, don't put up with it. Give us a call.